Now, before we get this video started, I just want to let you guys know that all the stocks, all the companies that I'm purchasing or selling in this video, I do not encourage anyone to do it simply because I am doing it. This is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes. So please do your own due diligence and do your own homework. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Also, don't forget to leave me a like. It really helps with my channel. So let's try to get this video to 100 likes. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to give you guys an update on my portfolio. I was supposed to do this last night, but I got a little busy, so I'm uploading it today. So I'm going to show you guys the trades that I made, some purchases, and some stocks that I sold yesterday. So let's get this started. As you can see right here, I purchased some more Apria shares. I'm going to show you guys what price I purchased some Apria shares. So now I own 600 Apria shares, and so far these shares are doing pretty well. I'm up 2.93%, up $152. And I do plan on collecting some profits if it goes up to 5 to 10%. I'll probably sell like 200 shares or something. I always like collecting profits just in case what happened to Aurora this week happens to Apria, because you never know. I've said this time and time again. The marijuana industry is super volatile. I also sold some Planet 13. I had 2,400 shares. If you guys have been watching my portfolio update, I've been keeping you guys up to date with what stocks I've sold, what stocks I've purchased. So now I'm only holding on to 1,400 Planet 13 in my Canadian portfolio. So my Aurora Cannabis, it stays the same, 250. These are my last 250 shares. I'm no longer going to touch these. I actually want to add to this position. I'm hoping to add at least 1,000 shares, and I'm hoping Aurora drops. I'm sorry to say this. I know a lot of people want to see Aurora go up, but I just wanted to drop below $8 so I can add to my position in Aurora Cannabis, because I love Aurora, and I said this before, I miss my Aurora shares. So Afria, I'm finally back into Afria. I accidentally made that mistake. I made a video about it where I messed up and I sold out all my Afria shares. Now I own 600 Afria shares at an average price of $8.58, and I'm up only 2.93%. Namaste, I bought back into Namaste not too long ago. I also updated you guys on one of these portfolio updates that I bought 1,000 shares, and my position's doing okay, up 6.79%. I do want to add more to this position. So if it goes below 125, I'll be adding more. And Hexo. So this is a company that I've been holding on for a while, and I've been averaging down on Hexo. And I think at one point I had Hexo at $8, and as Hexo was declining, I've slowly been adding to my position. And finally, it's good to see Hexo in the green. It's only up 0.45%, $23, but it's really good to see Hexo in the green. The reason why Hexo has made a nice run is because their announcement to the New York Stock Exchange. I did make a video about that, and I also included when they will officially be listed in the New York Stock Exchange. So this seems to be very good news, and Hexo stock has pushed forward because of that. Hemp, I only own 2 shares because at one point I had, I think, I forget how many shares I've had exactly, but I sold off 99% of my position. So I'm holding on to these 2 shares just to keep an eye on this company, just in case it decides to decline. And if it does, I'll buy back into this position. Parcel Pal, I've been trying to purchase more Parcel Pal shares, but for some reason, I'm not getting that 25-cent orders. I'm going to show you guys the orders that I've made. And Australis, these are companies that I pretty much got for free for owning Aurora. And yeah, I pretty much haven't touched them. At this point, I'll probably just hold on to these for life since these positions are doing horrible. But these are companies that I've gotten for free, so it doesn't really affect me right now. As you can see right now, I have 32,000 cash in my portfolio. That's because I've collected some profits. I'm going to show you guys which companies I collected profits with. So let's go to my trade orders. So actually, real quick, I want to talk about Hexo, how their charts are doing, what I expect from them. Let's look at Hexo. Now, this is Canadian Hexo. So Canadian Hexo right here, they've pushed up to 693. They actually went as high as 695. And if you look at their technical analysis, right now Hexo is a buy, a strong buy, a strong buy. I actually was trying to buy Hexo, but I did not get my price. And Hexo has been on a nice run. And if we look at their 1-year charts, it does look like Hexo has a lot more room for growth. I would be amazed to see Hexo go back up to $9. I don't think it's going to happen, but that would be amazing to see. Maybe what's most likely to happen is somewhere below 750 or maybe even 721, and then it might reverse right here. Nothing is for sure, but if Hexo does go up to around 720, I will be selling off a nice chunk of my Hexo shares. And we'll just take a look at Hexo real quick. They have a market cap of 1.37 billion, 197 million shares outstanding, price to revenue 144, price to sales 277. Not the greatest valuation, but this is the marijuana industry. A lot of these companies are overvalued right now. Let's just look at my orders right now. So Aphria, I bought 200 Aphria yesterday at $8.30. So if we do look at Aphria, and this is Canadian Aphria right here. So if we look at Canadian Aphria, Canadian I bought yesterday, well, we're going to have to look at the 5-minute candles. So yesterday I bought Aphria at $8.30, which was near the beginning of the day. It was pretty much right around here. I don't know how I keep doing this, but I just caught the bottom of Aphria, which was right around here, and I bought 200 shares. As you can see right here, I bought 200. I placed an order of Aphria, 200 shares, and the order was filled. So at $8.30. And as you can see the chart from Friday, it literally caught the bottom. I mean, I could have bought it at 8.28, but I'm not complaining about 2 cents. And pretty much after I made that purchase, Aphria made a nice run up to $8.89. Obviously, I did not sell any Aphria. I am hoping for Aphria to push forward a little, and my average price for Aphria is $8.58. So I've been averaging down on Aphria. So I think that was a very good pickup for me at $8.30. Once again, I was trying to purchase Parcel Pal at 25.5 because 25 was not hitting. 25.5 didn't hit either. I'm really trying to purchase Parcel Pal because right now I own it at 28 cents. I'm just trying to average it down a little. Maybe this is happening for a reason. Maybe Parcel Pal might drop to 22 one of these days, and I'll end up picking them up a lot cheaper than 25, but I'm not able to pick up my Parcel Pal at 25 cents. So then there are a couple there. So there's another trade that I did, and this is on my American portfolio, Snapchat. I sold all my Snapchat shares at 606. So if you guys watch one of my other portfolio update videos, I actually purchased Snapchat, and it's right here. I purchased Snapchat at 572, and I talked about. I'm gonna talk about it again real quick because if you guys missed that, I'll just update you guys with it. So this is what happened with Snapchat. The reason why I purchased Snapchat, and it was kind of a high risk. It was a little gamble play, was because of this gap right here. So once I saw this gap, I purchased it around. I'm not gonna make up numbers right here. You see it. I purchased it around 572. Not the best price, not the worst. So I purchased it right around here. I could have got it for a cheaper price, so I purchased it right around here. I could have obviously got it at 563, would have made a little more money. So I purchased it right around here because my expectations was because of this gap right here, it was going to fill up this gap and Snapchat was going to push forward. So I could have got it for a way better price. I sold at 606, which means like that I sold it right around here, 606. Obviously, I could have sold at 619, but I'm not sure. I wasn't sure it was going to push forward. I saw some nice little gains. Honestly, it wasn't much money, but this was just a quick little gamble play. The thing is, it was a very small position, and I knew I was going to make a very small amount of money, and I was also risking a very small amount of money. If I put $10,000 into Snapchat, I could have made $600 to $700, but then that's also meant that I was going to risk $600 to $700 or around $500 because I would have put a 5% stop loss. So if I put $10,000, I lose 5%. That's $500. So at this point, I'm kind of just playing around with these charts, and I thought this was a nice little gamble that I was willing to risk, and obviously it paid off. So this was a quick little sale. I made about almost 70 American dollars, which is next to nothing. It's around 90 Canadian dollars, but it was a very minimal risk trade, which is why I did it. Maybe the next time I'll instead of investing 1,000 American dollars, I'll invest 2,000. I'll increase it a little. The more comfortable I am doing these swing trades and day trades, the more money I'll invest. So obviously on Monday, it does look like Snapchat might continue to push forward. But right now, as you can see, they're a little bit oversold. So Monday, they might start off. Oh, no, Monday, the markets are closed. So we'll see Tuesday. But as of right now, I'm completely out of my Snapchat shares. I sold everything and I made money. It's better than losing money. It was very little money. It was just kind of a gamble play, and it paid off. So it's whatever. Money's money at the end of the day. It all adds up. So I sold my Snapchat shares. Kushco I bought at $5.17 the other day. Let's take a look at Kushco real quick. So Kushco I bought at $5.17. And as you can see, so I purchased Kushco right around here, pretty much right around here. Right around here, and as you can see, they're at $5.43. So Kushco's not doing too bad. I will be holding on to this position just to see how much better. I have a good feeling about Kushco because Kushko was all the way up at $7 just a week ago. But just because it happened in the past does not mean it can happen again. But I will start collecting some profits around the $6, 6.50 area. So that's my Kushko trade. Right now, Kushko will look at their technical analysis. Unfortunately, it is a sell and a strong sell. But like I said, these technical analysis could be wrong. So in the 1 minute, it's a buy, it's a strong buy. But that's it for now. So yeah, that's it. That's my portfolio. I am now finally an Aphria shareholder. I bought back my shares, and they're in the green. Hexo is also in the green. It's good to see Hexo in the green. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. And if you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.